Hey all, and welcome back to the Botblitzes channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create your very own AI chatbot for your website in 3 simple steps. Okay, so first of all, you need to sign up to Botblitzes. To do this, you just head over to botblitzes.com, scroll down a little bit and go to Start Free Trial. Now you can sign in with Google or add in your own email address and password. Once you've signed into Botblitzes, you have a couple of options. You can either create a new chatbot from a template, or you can just create a new chatbot. For this demonstration, we're going to create a new chatbot. So you just click there. Okay, so this is where you upload all your business data. We have made the process very simple. Okay, and under files, you can upload files such as PDF, Doc, DocX, and TST, and each file must be less than 10 megabytes, but you can upload multiple files. Under text, you can paste in any text such as a whole blog if you wanted to, or any data about your business. You can crawl any website. This will crawl all the links starting with the URL, not including files on the website. You can also submit a sitemap or upload a CSV file with all your links. You can also add in questions and answers. So if you have a question in here, and then you have the answer, when that question is asked, the AI will provide the exact answer that you have in this box here. And finally, we have Google Sheets, where the AI will answer queries and questions from your Google Sheets data. So for this example, we're going to crawl a website, and that's going to be MindPal. So I'll just copy the link there and paste that into here. And then it's as simple as clicking Fetch Links. So we'll click that, and that will take a few seconds. You can also upload the sitemap if you know it on the website, and sometimes that's easy to find. You just go to Google, type in the website and then sitemap, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll see all the links that the AI found. So you might not want all of them, so you'd go in and just click the little delete icon here. Once you have done that, you can either go to select all or just tick the ones that you want, or just leave it as it is, and then you go to create chatbot. And as you can see here, there's a 32 million limit, which is the equivalent to about 5 million words, and that means you can upload data with a max limit of 32 million characters for any type of data source. Okay, so it took less than 1 minute to analyze all those links. So the process to creating a chatbot is very simple. There's no advanced flows, there's no difficulty in doing this, but that's not the end. We have a lot of options to make sure that your chatbot aligns with your business or whatever use case you're using it for. So first of all, you can see here that this is where you can test out your chatbot. So to start customizing your chatbot, we need to go over to settings, and we need to provide it with a name. So I'd call it MindPal Chatbot. You would then click save, and next up we have Flow Builder. Okay, so first of all, you can see the chatbot was last trained at 8:48 on this specific date. And then if we scroll down, we have the prompt template, and if we open this up, this is one of the templates that we provide as a customer service one. But if you go to prompt template here, you can see we have a few more, such as a conversational lead. And these templates are very tailored towards specific needs. So if you scroll down, there's a couple of more, and then we have custom template. And what this means is that you can add in your own prompt, and you can get that from anywhere, such as ChatGPT or even MindPal, which is really good. And this is like a blank canvas, so you can really make it your own. Once you've chosen your template, you can then go to OK, and that will save that. Okay, so next up we have the safety prompt switch, and you can have this on or off, but if you click it on, what this means is that you can add in any topic or any question or category, and the AI will do its best to not answer any questions related to that particular topic. So there's a couple of examples here, such as scrambled eggs, Python code, and you can add in multiple words or topics or categories. Next up, you can choose your model. So we have 3 from OpenAI and 3 from Anthropic. We do our best to update to the latest one when the API is released. Also, just underneath here, it tells you a bit about how much each one would be. and you can open up this link here for more understanding of how it's calculated. And here you can add in your own API key depending on what subscription package you have. So you'll just click here and add in your API key. So once your token usage has run out, it will start using your OpenAI key or Anthropic key. And here you can select your current time zone. So you could click that and that will automatically click where you are, or you can choose whatever one you want. And this is good for appointments. So when an appointment is scheduled, it will give the correct location. Next up, we have my favorite section, which is the chat interface. And this is where you can really dig deep into the customization of your chatbot. So first of all, you can add an initial message and we can put, hey, I'm an assistant for Mime. How can I help? And as you can see on the right hand side, it updates in real time, which is really handy. So you'll see all your changes. Another cool feature we have is suggested messages. So if I type in, what are your contact details, you will see down here where I've just highlighted, there's a little box with the question in it. And what will happen is when a user clicks that, the AI will automatically answer the question. This is really good for guiding the user to where you want that person to go. So you could add in book an appointment and then the booking appointment sequence would start. And you can add in a few suggested messages, but I wouldn't recommend more than 4, otherwise it will look a bit messy. Next up, you can change the language from simplified Chinese to traditional Chinese. And one feature that we're really proud of is the use of custom CSS. So if we toggle that on, you will see here there is all the CSS that you can customize for your chatbot. So we have the custom chat window, so you'll notice the chat window that you can change, and it's all easily laid out and simple to adjust if you know a bit about CSS. But if you don't, you can use ChatGPT to add CSS, change anything you want. So you can change the tag CSS, the bubble switch, the initial welcome message, all sorts really. And when you change the CSS, it will update in real time. But that will be for another video. I'll create a video that goes more into that. So let's turn that off for now. And next up, you can change the theme to dark if you want. So that's quite nice. We'll leave it light for now. You can change the chatbot width, the chatbot height, the border radius. You can also adjust the shadow settings, which can make it stand out. You can also change the font. So we have a few available fonts. Lato is quite nice. I think that's how you pronounce it. You can also upload a chatbot profile picture. So if we click upload, I can just add my logo in, and you'll see up here it's added it in a nice location. You can also add in the display name. So if I put in MimePal, you'll see next to the profile picture it's added the MimePal, so you can add your business in there. You can change the user message color. Black is always quite effective. You can also add in your user input placeholder. So I could put in how can I help, and you will see down the bottom here it's added it in there. You can also upload your chat icon. So once again, if I click upload, and I'll just do this for demonstration purposes, and that should have changed down there, but I'll have a look at that in a sec. You can also remove the chat icon. You can change the chat bubble button color. So if you can see down the bottom there, let's just do red. No, it's gone back to black. Let's do red, and you'll see just down there it's gone to red. You can also add in bubble shadow settings. So once again, that will really stand out. You can have the chat bubble either to the right or to the left. I think most people have it on the right. We have another cool couple of features. So auto show initial messages pop-ups after seconds -1 is disabled. So what this means is, say here I've got 3 seconds. So when someone goes onto your website, the chat initial message will come up after whatever time you put in there. So that can really engage users to click on your chatbot. But my favorite one is the lead magnet. So means also show the chat window after a certain amount of seconds. So once again, if you had it as, say, 3 seconds, when someone goes onto your website, the whole chat window will open up after the amount of seconds you specified here. So once again, that's really engaging to try and capture a lead or guide them to wherever you want them to go. And next up we have human takeover, and sometimes the AI gets to a point where it can't answer a specific question or query from a potential customer or a user. So what we have is the AI can actually transfer over to a human or an agent. So first of all, you would add in your email, and when the live chat is triggered, you will receive an email so you can open up the live chat to talk to the customer. So if a customer requests live chat, you can put in a custom reply message here, such as "I will be with you as soon as possible, please wait patiently," or something like that. Okay, so next up we have display source reference link. This means that when a user asks a question, once the AI responds, a link from where the AI got all the information from will appear under the chatbot, and you can change the name of the source link label and the source link color, which is really handy. So we also have integrations with Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram is on the way soon. Once you've got your Facebook link and your WhatsApp link, you'll just paste them in here, and now you'll see that a little icon of Facebook has appeared down the bottom. And what will happen is when a user clicks on that, it will directly take you to your Facebook page. This is great for further outreach, and some customers or users like to use platforms to get in contact, such as Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram. Okay, so next up, we have an option where you can clear chat history when the browser or tab is closed. We also have an option to set the maximum response delay time for the AI, which is in seconds. So by default, the AI responds instantly, but you can have it so it can respond after 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, so now the chat customization is done, we can head on to the security tab, and here we have a couple of options. So we have visibility, where you can only allow the iframe and widget on specific domains. So you'd put in your domains here. We also have rate limiting. This means you can limit the number of messages sent from one device on the iframe and chat bubble. This will prevent abuse from users, and there will be a message when the limit is hit. Okay, so next up we have leads, and we have options such as a lead form, where you can basically put in the title of your lead form. So we'll just put in lead form, and you can make this obligatory pre-chat form. So what that means is, as soon as the user opens up the chat window, the form will appear, and you have to fill out the form before the chat can continue. So basically you can capture the potential client or the user's information before the actual chat starts. You can also have the lead form display on every question, or you can have it display for human takeover only, and you can toggle these settings such as first name, last name, email, phone number and message, and you can even add in your privacy policy URL in this box here. Once you've done, you'll click save. We also have a powerful feature which is appointments. So if I toggle this to enable appointments, we have an integration with Calendly, which is quite popular, and also your own Google Calendar authorization. And here you have, once again, your suggested messages to trigger the appointment sequence. So if I put in something like book an appointment, when a user clicks that suggested message, the booking appointment sequence will start. I do have a video that goes into more detail about booking an appointment via the AI chatbot, so please check that out. Okay, so next up, if we go to dashboard up here, you'll see that it says chat logs. So whenever a user has a conversation with your chatbot, it will show up here. And this is really good for analyzing data, and you might be able to find a trend in what people are asking. So you can then enhance your business to another level, really. Next up, we have leads. So whenever a lead is captured, it will appear here, and you can export to CSV if you want. And you can also do the same for appointments. Next up we have sources, and we actually have a few more options on here. So what you can do, like before, is you can add PDFs, docs, all of this stuff down here, and now you will see some information about how many URLs were analyzed by the AI, and it says how many characters were detected. So right now for this particular chatbot we've used 152,815 out of 32 million, which is nothing when you think about it. Once again, you could add text, you can then crawl a website again or a sitemap, you can delete any of these links, and you can also click on this little pen here, and this will allow you to edit certain data. So you could click edit here, you could change the links, the text, you can also split the content up, because sometimes if there's too much in one kind of knowledge base, the AI might not read it correctly. So this is a really cool feature to have, and it will split up all the knowledges into different sections. You can also add additional knowledges, so you can insert a link and then all this information in here. You can then go in and add your question and answers. You can integrate with Google Sheets. And next up we have a really cool feature called Keywords Trigger. Keywords Triggers is really handy, and what it means is if you enter a keyword, and you can enter multiple keywords. If I entered AI chatbots and said AI chatbots really help businesses save time and money. So when a user types in AI chatbots, this answer will automatically appear. And this is great for many reasons. And you can add in multiple keywords and answers. Next up, we have company information. So here you can put in all the data about your company, such as company name, email, company profile, the logo, URL, when the company was established. There's all sorts of things, your social media links. So when a user asks about your company, it will provide all these details in a really neat format. And now we have embed on site. So there's 3 options here. You can copy the iframe and paste that into anywhere on your website. You can copy this script here, and that will create a chat bubble, which you either have in the right side or the left. And you can also share the link of the chatbot. Next up, we have the integration section. Now we have integrations with Google SMS. This is only for the US. Then we have Twilio, and we have Facebook Messenger, which is also through Twilio, and WhatsApp, which is also through Twilio. And the reason we use Twilio is because it's an established platform and a very reliable one. We also have guides for each platform on how to integrate it with your AI chatbot, and they're very simple with screenshots on how to do it. And that's pretty much for how you can create an AI chatbot with ease. We have a few other options. Now, if you go to Workspace, you'll see you have webhooks and API, and there's guides on how to do this. So this means you can integrate with your other systems, which is really cool. We've got live chat. So if you click enable live chat, you can choose from all the different chatbots that you have, and you can click multiple ones. We also have your digital business card. So that's me. I just got married the last few months, and you have all your details here. We also have an SMS template, and this is a new feature that I will go through in a different video, but this one's really cool. And also we have appointments here, and that is something else slightly different that I'll go through in a different video. And if you signed up on the free trial, you can also upgrade to our other packages. We go all the way up to the highest package of $199, and you get 20 chatbots and 20,000 message credits per month. And you can also use your API keys from our package, which starts at $19 per month. And also feel free to check out some of our other videos and tutorials on bot blitzers on our YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for our latest videos. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.